Sing Sang Tai Tai Liho. My name is Junalyn Miso Ramirez. I'm 33 years old. I'm from Bangkod, Malaybalay City. I'm married. I have one son, 10 years old. My highest educational achievement, high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, baking, and a pet lover. I have one dog and one cat. My expertise are children care and elderly care. I work a domestic helper in Saudi 2 years from March 1, 2023 to March 25, 2025. I serve one madam, she has widow, an adult, female, 48 years old, and she has two daughters, aged 30 years old and 25 years old. Barring 8 months from December 4, 2021 to August 5, 2022, I served one couple and 3 children aged 3 years old and 1 year old boy and 5 years old girls. My duties are taking care of children, elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing. I want to work Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money from my family. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery like all through the town. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I heard working in honest obedience. I promise to be a good housemate and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract 2 years and more. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Looking forward to work with you as impossible